Hello everybody, so welcome to the new spray booth build. So what we have is the back of the 40-foot container where the powder coating stuff is, and we're actually going to build in the last about 3.3 meters of the container. So it's not the prettiest, there's plenty of holes everywhere as you can see, but we will patch them from the outside. We do have the cover on the roof at the moment, which will make it a lot better for waterproofing. But what we're going to do is build a wall in here, a false wall on these three sides, and then line it all with the same plastic sheeting that we used in the shed for the big spray booth. But this one will stay relatively permanent. Fans in, filters in, fans and filters out. So we're going to run a ducting the whole way out there. I haven't got that yet, but we've got all the wood and the plastic, so we're going to start fitting this out today, get it all screwed together, so we can actually paint in here anytime we want, anything we need in any weather condition. LED lighting all around, so this place is going to be highly flooded. We're going to put some other lights in down here as well because we need it, and hopefully it'll stay relatively dust and anything free, so it'll be good. So we'll get this started built now, and just do as much as we can. We'll get it started, we'll get it finished. So then the first thing we're going to do is the repair for the front bar for the XR6, and then we'll be able to do anything we want in here, which will be awesome. So we're going to try to keep this as clean as possible in general. So we'll do all our rough sandings outside, wet stuff outside. In here it'll just be painting, that's it. So yes, so it'll be good. Another step closer to finishing everything.
I ain't kidding, boss. Raging demon on rhythms. I ain't kidding, boss.
Get that feeling that you think